Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use bricklight, easy method. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on, then tap to cycle modes and brightness. Mount the unit at eye level and angle the beam toward the subject for even illumination. Use the included diffuser when you need softer light and keep the bricklight at least 3.5 inches from reflective surfaces to avoid glare. Learn the mode controls so you can adjust color and output quickly on set. A single tap changes color temperature while a hold adjusts brightness gradually, giving you precise control. The bricklight remembers your last setting, so repeat setups are faster and more consistent. For battery conservation, lower brightness when possible and use the power-off shortcut to shut down instantly between shots or sessions. Mounting makes a big difference in the look of your footage, so prioritize stability and angle. Secure the bricklight with the clip or cold shoe and tighten any knobs so it stays put during movement. Position the light slightly above eye level and aim it down for natural shadows that flatter faces. For interviews or product shots, use 2 lights at balanced angles to reduce harsh shadows and highlight detail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.